Today we're picking more strawberries for our From One Mother to Another strawberry jam that we're going to make and give out to every mother that dines at Sage for Mother's Day. This is one of our 5 organic strawberry beds here on the farm, and we have lots of delicious strawberries. And this is their 2nd year that we've had them, and they're still producing really, really good. We're super excited to be sharing these strawberries with mothers for Mother's Day, making an awesome strawberry jam for everybody. Now, we'll take those same strawberries that we picked at our farm and brought them right over to our Agora Hills restaurant, and we are gonna turn them into strawberry jam. Jams and jellies are an excellent way if you have a bumper crop, you have some ugly ones, some small ones. It's a really good way to turn it into a shelf-stable product that you can use for a long time. We're making 400 jars of jam to every mother that comes and dines at the restaurant. From one mother to another mother, a thank you for doing the most important job on the planet, raising up our future. This is lemon juice, freshly squeezed from our farm. Organic sugar. Himalayan crystal salt. Salt makes everything taste better. Sweets without salt taste good. 400 jars out of the sanitizer and ready to be filled with jam. It needs to cook fully down. It's getting there. We gotta cook out some of the waters and get it to solidify. Okay. A little blender action forwards the action. You can see now there's no chunks anymore, and now it's just a matter of waiting for it to solidify. Maybe 30 more minutes of reduction. We'll keep putting a little bit in the refrigerator and see if it turns into solid or if it's still really watery. And that's how you check it. A little bit on a plate in the refrigerator. It's still a little warm, but you can see it stiffening up. I'd say another 3 or 4 minutes and we're good to start bottling. If you blend hot sauce or you blend jam, once you blend it, you want to wait for a while to make sure all the air bubbles get out of it before you bottle it. If you bottle it with the air bubbles in it, once it settles down and gets cooled down, it's going to look way smaller, and that's going to happen anyway just because of temperature, so your bottle will look like half full. You always have to bottle things that are being preserved while it's still boiling. You can't bottle it cold or it won't be sterile. Note to self, if you're canning above, you need to use a pressure canner even for sugar and acid. I made the mistake one summer living in Willits up in the hills. I canned all my vegetables from my garden and then they all just started exploding in the closet and probably could have given us botulism. When you live at a high altitude, you can't just use boiling water, you need to use a pressure canner. When I do this with my husband, there's a lot more cleaning up than when I do it by myself because he's rushing, always filling stuff, rushing. You want to fill it as full as you can because it will settle down and get smaller. I really love this bottle filler. I got it online. It was not very expensive. Filling the bottles is always the worst part. You know, you can make a huge batch of hot sauce, then spend your whole life filling bottles. But this is a game changer, and I think that we waste less. If you're doing this at home and you don't have a bottle filler, it's totally okay. You can use a ladle or a squeeze bottle. We have a commercial sanitizer here, so these all went through a sanitizer and heated up to like a gajillion degrees. But at home, you can just boil the bottles and the lids, and that's a perfect way to sanitize stuff without using chemicals. You just boil them and then use them. Get a clean towel Tighten these the best you can. They're hot, so you're not gonna be able to tighten them all the way. Turn them upside down. The little rubber on the inside is gonna get all heated up and do its sealing thing. If you overspill, like I did a little bit right here, you just wanna make sure that the rim is really clean. So you just get a rag with food grade sanitizer, like Sterasheen. Just clean up the rim, and so it can seal properly, because otherwise the part that's outside in the air will get bad. That was the last of the 96 jars of this batch. This is an excellent use of any fruit that you don't need. Each mother is going to get one of these from one mother to another. Thank you for watching this video of us making strawberry jam. I hope you enjoyed it. Please visit Sage for your free strawberry jam if you're a mother on Mother's Day. And we always have strawberry jam for sale on our online store, here on the farm, and you can do it as an add-on to your CSA box.